In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. Pinning messages is a useful tool when you want to keep important information easily accessible for everyone in the channel. This feature can save you time and help maintain organization within your Slack workspace. So let's dive right into the process. The first step is to make sure you're in the right channel. Open up Slack and navigate to your desired channel where you want to pin a message. This could be a project channel, a team chat, or any space where you're collaborating with others. It's crucial to ensure you are in the correct channel because the pinned message will only be accessible from that particular space. Once you have double-checked that you're in the right channel, the next part is straightforward. As you're scrolling through the conversation, locate the message you wish to pin. It could be an important announcement, a key deadline, or any piece of information you need to keep handy. Once you've found that message, click on it to highlight it. It's a way of selecting the message to prepare for the next steps. This marks it as the message you are working with and indicates your intention to Slack's interface. Now, let's move to the next phase, which involves accessing more options for that message. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, sometimes known as an options menu, located at the right corner of the message. Go ahead and give those dots a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform. Among those options, there's the one we're looking for, to pin the message. From the drop-down menu, select Pin to Channel. Once you click on this option, the message is pinned. By doing this, you're essentially bookmarking that particular message for everyone in the channel to see at any time, without needing to scroll back through the conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a message in Slack. This pinned message can be found at the top of the channel's details pane, usually on the right side of the Slack window. It serves as a spot where crucial information is stored for the benefit of everyone in the channel. By using this feature, you enhance your channel's functionality, making it easier for team members to locate important data quickly. Remember that you can unpin any message following a similar process if it no longer needs to be highlighted. This feature is just one of many ways Slack helps streamline communication and keeps your team organized and informed. Thanks for joining me today to learn about pinning messages. Don't forget to keep this useful tool in mind as you navigate your Slack workspace.